Okay, I did the other side, and this stuff's amazing. This is iron wheel cleaner. Got it on Amazon. So far, this is amazing. When you see how dirty that is, nasty looking. I mean, it's nasty. I'm gonna wet it and spray that on, and I'll show you. Okay, it's wet. I'm now gonna spray it. Don't know how much you're supposed to put on it. But the other side, I just kept doing this for about 30 seconds. It's already turning color, see that? It basically eats off the bad stuff. I'll let it sit for about a minute. Then I'll hit it with the brush. I'll hit it with this. And then I'll hit it with a rag in hot water. Look at that, that's amazing. Okay, doesn't look like much yet. I'll show you when it's done. That's the after. They've never looked that clean since I got this vehicle. I am thoroughly impressed. It's worth the money. Well worth the money. Wow. Well, after 4 years of use, we have a new urine jug for the composting toilet. This one's way better. It came with a plastic handle, so you can actually clean it and disinfect it. Whereas the original had a cloth or nylon. So it wasn't too hygienic if you ask me. But this one will go in, the other one will go in the trash can, and we'll have a good summer. Okay, it's definitely time to redo the black all the way around the van, because it's looking pretty shoddy. It's looking more gray than black right now. So, let me get some spots where the plastic dip came off. So we'll take care of that, and we will spray all the black. Get this thing looking good before we head up north. So that's the plan for the day. Yeah, this is how we're doing it. Taping it off, then using some of this brown paper. That way I don't get too much overspray. And we'll see how it all goes today. Everything is taped off. Now I'm just gonna hit certain spots with a green scratch pad. Well, that's it so far. See, look at the damage up here. Not damage, just sun fade. Just looks nasty. There's Hopi taking off the blue painter's tape. What do you think of it, babe?
I think it looks awesome.
Looks a hell of a lot better, doesn't it?
Yeah, like I got rejuvenated.
Yep, really happy with it. Just gotta take this stuff off and we'll do the final reveal. We're done for the day because it's hot. We got a couple lower bits of overspray, even with all the paper and tape on it. We'll get rid of that later because right now I am overheating. It's hot.
Is it 90 yet or no?
It's past 90. Good, babe?
Sounds like cool weather.
Yeah, I'm really happy with this. Every couple of years we'll do that. Just refresh it. Just makes it pop. So nice. And you see the big difference between that part and then you got the front, which is never been touched. How gray it is. Yeah, happy. Okay, the van is clean. So I'm gonna do the tires and this stuff. I do have one for the inside of the vehicle as well, and it does work good. So spray it on, rub it off. Not that way. It even smells good. After this, we will be ready to go to Michigan. There you go. That looks good. Now the great news is, because I used this last time, this stuff just comes off easy. Oh yeah, it's easy peasy. Yeah, these two products make a pretty good 1-2 punch. There we go. I'm happy with that. The tire shines good. Okay, this is the next project. Repainting this nice and white. Let's get all this stuff off it first. And then we'll spray paint them. See how it goes. Just gonna use some of this Scotch Brite. Okay, that's both sides looking way better than they were. There you go. Looks good from about 10 feet. And the black trim came out amazing. Happy with that. Again. Really happy. Just makes everything else just pop and stand out. Really happy. We are on the way to get Hope's glasses.
Yay, and I can help drive. Woo.
3 days early.
A year later. It was a year in May since I was able to drive.
And smile, Hope.
Cheese! I got my teeth fixed. And some one in the back. And when we get back in August, end of August, I'm getting my bridge put in over here. And they all look like real teeth.
So it looks like we will be heading to Michigan in 2 days. Probably leave Sunday now instead of next Tuesday. So, yeah. This is up to date. So you'll get this video Saturday. And yeah. So we'll catch you on the flip side, guys.
Yeah.
I'm all over the place with the camera.
Take some pictures. I see along the way there's a lot of horses and cows out there lately.
Yep, so we're driving to the optometrist.
Optometrist, yeah. My eye is so stupid. The store's name is My Eye Doctor, and my eye doctor's also there.
It's the perfect name.
Yeah.
So we'll catch you on the flip side, guys, and we'll talk to you later. So we're in the van and we're packing to get ready to go. We should be leaving in about 48 hours.
Yeah, 48 hours.
But Hope got new glasses.
Ta-da.
Who you gotta thank for them?
Cora, or Kuna Combs, helped me out there, and she did really wonderful. Every time she picks out the perfect glass, but I always have to go and see what different colors will look like on me.
And the other shout out is going to be to Marvin Bowden.
Her dad.
Yeah.
And he's a Vietnam veteran. So I was telling her about different things that he should, if he hasn't been to the VA lately, he should check on with the VA on different things that he can apply for to try, for his disability and stuff like that. I told him that told her if he was diabetic, they did shoes for me and they did special fittings and stuff like that. They'll set him on the right track, and if he still needs help because he never got help when he got back from Vietnam. We all know that. Everybody really didn't get help.
Hey, so Marvin, big thumbs up, buddy. Thank you.
And we met this lovely lady today when I was out in Wallace at My Eye Doctor, the store and the person. And we met an Eloise Henderson, and we know that she lives 15 miles from the Wallace Walmart, but she's 80 years old. She's taking care. She's walking just fine. We had a long conversation. We were in a long line. Where they're at in Henderson, there is a lot of field workers hired, and they had buses coming in. When we came in, there was like 1 or 2 buses there, and when we left, there was 3 there, and 1 was leaving, and more were coming. And she said,
so big shout out to those workers because they're doing an awesome job. Yeah. So thanks, guys.
Yeah, if they didn't do a job, we wouldn't eat.
Yeah, we'll catch you on the flip side.
All
okay?
right.
See you guys.
Love ya.